up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of 100 Proof Official. Now, if you've been following this build, you'll know that last time we ran into a little bit of an issue. We were really hoping to be out tearing the streets up and having fun in this car. I know Nate is really excited about getting this thing out on the road again, but unfortunately, there's something pretty serious going on that we need to address it.
Yeah, so as you guys saw, in the last episode, we did the first startup. At first, everything sounded great, and as we were looking things over, we noticed as it got warmer and warmer, there started to be a rod knock, and that's a pretty major issue that we got to address. So instead of going out and roasting tires like we were hoping to, unfortunately, we got to diagnose the issue. So we're gonna jack this thing up and see what we can figure out and what we can do to resolve the issue.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. All right, guys, so we've got the oil draining here. The header has been removed. Here in just a moment, we're gonna start dropping the pan. And we're just gonna go through our rods one by one and see if we can figure out the source of this nasty knock. All right, so we went through and we checked the bottom end. All the connecting rod bearings look good. The crank journals look really good, especially for this motor's age. So we're pretty confident the knock is not coming from the bottom end. So we're gonna start with the head next. And what we're looking for is the lost motion assemblies, the LMAs. On the B16s, they've been known to cause quite an issue and be pretty noisy. So we're gonna dig in here, pull these cams, and go ahead and check these LMAs. Probably just gonna replace them as a preventative measure. Then we're gonna get this thing back together and start it up and see if our knock goes away.
One eternity later.
All right, so after a little bit of a delay, some shipping stuff, we finally got our Skunk 2 lost motion assemblies. So let's open these up and give you guys a side-by-side comparison of these versus the old ones. And let's get this car back together. Let's do it. All right, so what we've got here is the OEM LMA on the right versus the Skunk 2 LMA over here. Now, as you can see, these are very different. The OEM part is like a hydraulic unit, and the Skunk 2 unit is more like a progressive spring with a hardened nose. Now, Honda actually revised these part numbers to be more like a progressive spring type unit. So there was obviously a pretty serious problem with these LMAs, and Honda actually noticed and did something about it. So that is definitely encouraging, and part of the reason why we want to just go ahead and get these OEM lost motion assemblies knocked out. So now that we've got the LMAs in, we've got everything back together, fluids topped off, we got the exhaust hooked up. We're going over the last couple clips and connectors. I mean, we've even got the tires aired up, ready to go, man. If this thing fires, we're gonna take it out and have some fun. I'm confident the bottom end's good. We looked at that. We've got some fresh LMAs. All the valve train looked good. There is no reason this thing shouldn't just fire up and purr like a kitten. So, Nate, you good?
I'm good. You ready?
Let's hit it.
All right, fuel pump real quick.
I hear fuel.
Alright, here we go.
Oh! Alright,
baby. First start.
She wants to start. I mean, as soon as you hit it, she wants to start.
Sounds pretty good.
I don't hear it. I don't hear any knocking.
I don't hear any knocking anymore either.
I don't.
Sounds nice and healthy.
Yeah, she sounds good. it, make sure we don't have any leaks. Let's take her out on the street and have some fun. Let's do it. So it's a halfway decent day today. It's finally stopped raining. This thing's purring along. She sounds really good. We're gonna take this thing out, man. This is long overdue. We gotta do something about these tires too. What do you say we burn them off, Nate?
I'd say that's a good idea.
All right, dude, let's go. Guys, it is safe to say that Nate's Integra runs very good.
I mean, so good. This thing is so much fun to drive. I didn't want to stop. Spencer had to literally drag me out of this.
I thought I was going to have to hit the quick release button. You were going to take the wheel out with you.
I would have brought it with me. So, hey, if you guys like all these videos that we've done with the Integra, you know, stay tuned. I got some more to do with the bodywork and interior, and it should be a lot of fun.
Yeah, guys, and if you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. And stick around, subscribe to the channel, and see what we're cooking up next. We'll see you guys on the next one.